If LibreOffice is showing an error when you try to open a file or the document crashes the moment you click it, don't panic. In this video, I'll show you 2 simple fixes that can help you recover your document and get back to work fast. We'll use a clever insert file recovery trick for corrupted files, and then we'll remove a hidden lock file that may be blocking LibreOffice from opening your document properly. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software fixes just like this. Let's jump in. First, let's try the insert file recovery trick. This is especially useful if the file is partially corrupted. Sometimes the document itself is damaged enough that LibreOffice can't open it normally, but the content inside can still be recovered. To do this, open LibreOffice Writer and create a brand new blank document. Once you're in the empty page, go to the top menu and click Insert. Then look for the option to insert content from a document. In some versions, this may appear slightly differently, but the idea is the same. You want to bring the text and content from the damaged file into a fresh document. Now browse to the corrupted file on your computer, select it, and click Open. If LibreOffice is able to read the contents, it will pull that data into the new blank document instead of trying to force open the damaged file directly. This is a great workaround because it can bypass the corrupted header or broken structure that was causing the error in the first place. If it works, immediately save the recovered content under a completely new file name. That way, you preserve the repaired version and avoid overwriting the original damaged file. If that doesn't solve the issue, the next thing to check is a hidden lock file. LibreOffice creates a temporary lock file when a document is open, and if the program crashes or closes incorrectly, that lock file can stay behind. When that happens, LibreOffice may think the document is still in use and refuse to open it properly. To fix this, go to the folder where your problem document is stored. On Windows, you may need to enable hidden items so you can see all files. You can usually do this by opening the View menu and turning on Show Hidden Items. On other systems, the process may be slightly different, but the goal is the same: reveal hidden files in that folder. Now look for a file named something like .lock.your_filename.ot in the same directory as your document. This lock file only appears when hidden files are visible, so if you don't see it at first, make sure hidden items are turned on. Once you find it, delete that lock file completely. After that, try opening your LibreOffice document again. In many cases, removing the leftover lock file is enough to restore normal access. So to recap, if LibreOffice won't open your file, first try inserting the document content into a brand new writer file and save it with a new name. If that doesn't work, check the folder for a hidden lock file and delete it before opening the document again. These 2 methods solve a lot of common LibreOffice file opening problems without needing any advanced repair tools. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more quick software troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.